Welcome to the future of coding, where the power of AI revolutionizes the way we solve problems, create apps, and automate tasks. Today we're diving into the world of Codex, an AI developed by OpenAI, designed to understand and generate code in a conversational manner. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Codex is here to enhance your coding journey. Let's unlock the full potential of this groundbreaking technology together. Codex is the cutting-edge AI by OpenAI, trained on a vast dataset of code from across the internet. It's not just any AI, it's a programmer's dream, capable of understanding natural language and turning it into executable code in over a dozen programming languages. Getting started with Codex is straightforward. First, you'll need access to the API through OpenAI's platform. Once you've secured your API key, you can integrate Codex into your development environment, whether it's a simple script editor or a complex IDE. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use Codex wisely to enhance your projects while adhering to ethical coding practices. Imagine having a coding assistant that's available 24/7. Need to scrape a website, automate a repetitive task, or even develop a new application? Just describe your coding task in plain English, and Codex will provide you with a code snippet to get you started. It's like having a co-pilot in your coding journey, ready to tackle any challenge. To make the most out of Codex, clarity is key. Be as specific as possible when describing your task. The more details you provide, the more accurate Codex's code generation will be. Don't forget to review and test the generated code. Codex is incredibly powerful, but it's not infallible. Use it as a starting point and refine the code to fit your specific needs. As we embrace Codex, let's not forget the importance of ethical coding practices. Always review the generated code for security vulnerabilities and compliance with coding standards. Respect copyright laws and ensure your use of Codex aligns with OpenAI's policies. Codex opens up a world of possibilities for developers, offering a revolutionary tool to enhance creativity, efficiency, and innovation. As we explore this new frontier together, remember that Codex is not just a tool, it's a partner in your coding journey. Embrace it, experiment with it, and let's shape the future of coding together. Thank you for watching. If you're excited about unleashing the full potential of Codex in your projects, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI and coding. Happy coding!